Revolutionize the way you learn online with Shay Pmu tutorials. If you're ready to cut the fluff and get to the root of what you really want to see and learn in the service room, you're in the right place. Shay Pmu tutorials gives you the opportunity to step into the room and sneak a peek over my shoulder to watch me work through incredible case studies covering a wide range of different services and topics. I walk and talk you through mapping, tool selection including machines and needles, as well as pigment selection and everything you need to know about the service from start to finish. Tutorial topics include powder brows, nano brows, microblading, areola work, scar camouflage, fine line tattoos, lip blush, eyeliner, and more. Whether you're an advanced artist or brand new to the industry, these tutorials are essential to level up your game and deepen your understanding of the services you provide. So choose your favorite tutorials and join me with my client as we level up together. It's literally like you're right beside me. You've got unlimited access to each tutorial for a full year, so let's get started right now. I'll see you in the service room.